Well, this is the former Roy Clark display pilot from the United Kingdom. He has an incredible CV, and this is Major Steve Lodge, the Special Operations Instructor at Starlight. He was the second in command at 16 Squadron, Air Force Base Bloemsplate. He was also a Roy Clark display pilot, and he will now do the solo display in the Bell 407. With him is Yuval Yumash, Academy Instructor. Watch what he does with his Bell 407 helicopter. Of course, for Steve Lodge, he's full sign Diablo.
Yes, Brian Pascal was flying the USV books as well. The Gazelles, Apache 64Ds, flown the Cobras, and obviously the South African attack helicopter Roy Clark. So formidable guy flying.
Well, if you look at where he served in Afghanistan, Iraq, in Kuwait, in Belize, Northern Ireland, and Kosovo.
And now he's serving at the
KZN. Just look what he does with that 407. Incredible pilots at Starlight. That is a family of helicopter brothers. This is a great helicopter to fly in. Shows the agility, the maneuverability. And I remember after the last 407 helicopter display of the year, Scully Levine and I were Farnborough 2 days later, and I must say the pilot made us world famous. We walked in and we had the world wanting to know how our pilots fly 407s. They were absolutely enthralled. They weren't interested in what we had to say about our aeroplane. They wanted to hear about our helicopter.
Yeah, but Brian, you know what is amazing about Starlight? The slogan is be committed, be experienced and passionate. And for any young pilot, you can learn good foundations for a pilot, be passionate about flying, to look at aviation safety and airmanship. Once that foundation is laid, then that's how we become a good pilot.
Yeah, and I think that the fact that they've got so many veterans, people like Chris and Monster and Tony, Mo, and just the list carries on. Just incredible. And when I watch this, I think back on with such fond memories of Lewis Goldberg solo. Very much part of your life as well, solo for Brian. Look back, he's looking at the show and he's smiling, because that's what he can do.
Yes, on the whole, all the top management in that organisation are all guys full and that's what it's about. That's why it's everything
I've flown with him in the Puma display. I had the privilege of actually going on a flight that did with you. Who's the general?